I have the privilege of working with a wonderful ministry called ChildHope, formerly known as Latin American Child Care. And ChildHope transforms the lives of children born into poverty with the good news of Jesus Christ, a quality Christian education, and other ministries of compassion. We feed them and have preventative medical care for the children in our schools. I was just hearing about one boy that went to our school in Venezuela, a school that I had the privilege of founding many years ago. He grew up with a father that was severely disabled, and God just put in his heart to become a doctor. And now that little boy is in medical school in Venezuela, studying to be a doctor. And I believe God has a purpose for so many children's lives throughout Latin America, and ChildHope is helping those children born into poverty pull themselves out of poverty and fulfill the purpose that God has for them. I am so grateful for AG Financial because they help put donors together with ministries such as ours, ChildHope, and that's how we're able to support the ministry. And because of that, we're able to reach 100,000 children throughout Latin America and the Caribbean in approximately 300 Christian schools throughout the region. I remember a couple of years ago, we had a need, a financial need, and we didn't know how we were going to be able to meet it. And one of the representatives from AG Financial came to the office with a pretty big check. It was a legacy gift that somebody had planned for probably a decade before. And it just met the need that we had been praying about. And I can't help but believe that our Heavenly Father placed that in the heart of the donor years before, knowing that we would have that particular need at that particular time, and that was God's way of providing for ChildHope and the ministry to all these children in Latin America. So I'm just so grateful for the partnership that with AG Financial that they can help bless the ministry of ChildHope.